Hi, in this video, we will talk about handling checkboxes in Playwright. So for that, I created one class called handling checkboxes test, and I created a test method handle checkboxes. So first, let me go to the website where we are going to automate. You see that here I have 4 different checkboxes, and one is by default checked. When you refresh this, so this manual testing is already checked. So how we can handle these things with the help of Playwright, we will see in this video. So let me go here, create a Playwright instance, playwright.create, and then I'll create a page instance dot chromium dot launch, new browser type launch options dot set headless false dot new page. Okay, so now page dot navigate, and what is the URL? dev.automationtesting.in/form. So this is the website. After this, I'll wait for 5 seconds. I'll tell you why. So now, once you come here, there are, say I want to check the automation testing checkbox. For that, I have a value is equals to automation testing. So let me write a CSS selector for this. So this is the one. So I have taken that CSS. So now page dot, you have check option. So you need to mention the locator is that selector. All right. And then, sorry, again I'll pause the execution for some time, and then playwright dot close. Okay. So now let me execute this first, and we'll see what is the behavior. So it is downloading the updates of the browsers. So browser open. So wait for 5 seconds. You see that the behavior is a bit different. So, but it is selecting the automation testing. So because of that, what I'll do, I'll execute again. I think the issue with the website which I'm using. So I will go manually there to scroll. Now you see it is visible. You see that it selected the, means it checked the automation testing. Right. So after 5 seconds, it closed. So if you want to uncheck, okay, if you want to uncheck, you have option uncheck. Okay, I'll take the same locator. So first it will check the checkbox, wait for 5 seconds. After that, it will uncheck the checkbox. So we'll see the behavior. Observe the behavior. First, it will select the automation testing. It's selected. So after 5 seconds, it will uncheck, unselect. You see that? So, but here we need to understand one of the things when you deal with checkboxes. So if you go to radio button, you selected one. How many times you press, it will not change the behavior, right? So, but coming to the checkbox, one time it will select. If you click the same thing, it will unselect. The behavior is different when you compare with radio button, right? So sometimes what happens in your application, you already executed one time your test case, that time it got selected, okay? And it is saved, the state is saved. The next time when you executing, if you simply click on this, it will unselect or uncheck, and that is not your test case. Your test case is to check this checkbox, right? But if you already selected, if you select again, then it will unselect. So because of that, what we need to do, I need to verify whether that is already checked or not. Okay, leave this, let it be like that. So I'll take another one. So I'll verify that. Okay, page dot locator. And what is this locator? So value is true. Okay, value is true. Dot is checked. If it is checked, then you uncheck. Otherwise, okay, if it is already checked, then uncheck. So let me execute this. So it selected automation testing, and after 5 seconds, it will uncheck. And after 5 seconds, you see that if it is checked, you are unchecking that. So that is fine. But for that, what we can do, simply we can click. But if it is already selected, I do not want to uncheck. So that time, what you can see, you just put this not symbol. If it is not checked, then only check. Okay. So my intention is to check this one, but it is already checked. So first I'll verify whether it is checked or unchecked. So if it is already checked, don't check. Okay, what I'm doing, if it is not checked, okay, I'm using this not symbol. If it is not checked, then go ahead and check. Otherwise, don't touch that. Okay. So we'll verify that. This time, it should not uncheck that. You observe the behavior. This time, manual testing will not uncheck. So done. After 5 seconds, it will verify the functionality. So if it is not checked, then you see that it is not unchecked, right? So this is how you can handle the text boxes. And if you have check, uncheck, the same way you can use another way also. Okay, what is that? I want to select a development. Value equals to development. So page dot, simply you can use click also. copy. So development. So let me run. Instead of check, uncheck, you can use click also. You see that? Now it has to select the development. You see, it selected the development. Not done. And one more thing, here also you can verify if not selected. Okay, locator dot not checked, then you can select. And here you have checked this one, right? Otherwise, this one. So you can use this way also. Okay, let me take management and explain that also. This is management. So after this, wait for 2 more seconds. So another way is this is management. Page dot locator dot check. Okay, you can use page dot check directly, and the second way is page dot locator dot check. So both the ways you can use. Okay, let me rerun and see whether it is selecting the management or not. First, it selects the automation testing, and after 3 seconds, it will unselect. After that, it will select the development, and after that, it will select the management. After 3 seconds, you see it selected management and closes. So this is what you need to understand, while interacting with any checkboxes. So you have check uncheck directly. Otherwise, you can verify whether it is already checked or not. Then only you can write your logic. If it is unchecked, you can check something like that according to your requirement. And then page.locator.check also you can use, and page.locator click also you can use. Okay, so this is all about handling checkboxes using Playwright. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, put your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.